Cheers. Welcome. Come on in. Welcome, you guys. I don't know, I'm in a full feel good moment. I'm so feeling good since yesterday. We went to TJ Maxx and Marshalls and we in Sephora yesterday. It was a vibe. I went to the beach. It was a vibe. And so we're here the next day. I got me some well-needed rest and still feeling pumped up. And 2 o'clock in the morning, and here we are doing a haul. I did me a TJ Maxx haul. Check that out. You probably have already seen it. Just changing the look, taking off my bonnet so y'all could have a different, but I'm still in the scenery of things, and this bag is waiting for me to unravel and open with you guys. So we're about to have that, and with a nice glass of juice mixed with, y'all, if you guys have not been drinking kombucha with mixing it in your juices, you're missing out. This is, to me, is too strong by itself, and diluted it with my favorite beverage, which is passion fruit. I put passion fruit on anything. It's like the bomb.com. I'm feeling it. Welcome, and subscribe if you're new. We are a vibe here, and let's dive into my TJ Maxx. Oh, I keep saying TJ Maxx, like I live there, and they're not even paying me. They're taking my money. Let's dive into this Sephora bag, and hope you're having a vibe on your end. Enjoy watching. So here we are with a TJ. If I say TJ Maxx one more time, I'ma smack myself. All right, we have a lot in front of us here. Let me toss the packagings because they're taking space. Jesus. Sephora. I've been wanting to get my hands on these. I have made the, is it Secure the Blur? No, is it? I don't know. The hairspray-like one. I got me that, and they came out with this. Yo, I mean, the lighting is not doing me much justice, yo. And it's not even the bright. Okay, powder melt glass setting spray. And I have an idea that it just might happen to be same type of formula or end result as the Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting spray. I don't know. Is it the plastic packaging or what? I don't know what it is, but I got me this. Shake well. I do have the skin tint, which I did use. You guys, that skin tint. Is it a skin tint or the new foundation? The Easy Blur one. I use these. It seems as though the more you put, the more blurring the finishing gets. I get it. But tell me how I was doing the video. I don't know if you guys have already seen the video. As I go about my business, then it was time to take it off. I didn't want to take it off. I kept looking at myself in that. I'm like, yo, I went to my husband. I'm like, you see something happening here? Do you see? And he's like, you look like you put in makeup. He hates the idea, but I don't care. And I'm like, okay, all right, negativity out the way. But I said, okay, I know I got makeup on, right? And it's not that. It's the finishing of it. What does it look like to you? It's like, oh, it's nice and smooth. I said, fuck yeah, it is. This is really nice. I guess as it settles in the skin, into the skin and it does what it needs to do. And I give it time to do what it do. This is really nice. So I have that, and I'm gonna use that on top of it. Best believe I will, along with all my goody goods here. So that's that. Sephora, I didn't go with the intention of buying all these sprays, okay? It is not a set. Again, I think I might need to return some of these stuff. Sephora has a luminous or a dewy finish with vitamin C of their setting spray. I do have me their original matte here, and they say, and I can attest, that it is just as good as the Charlotte Tilbury one. So we have had this, and now they brought out this. Can't wait to see how that looks on the skin. And it has vitamin C, 12 hours with no transfer proof. When I'm reading the French and okay, let me read the English. 12 hours wear, transfer proof, dewy finish plus vitamin C. Yeah, this may just be my new best friend. Next are these Kosas. Was it the blush? Is that the blush I was talking about? Yeah, somewhat. This lipstick and this blush would do so nice with each other. So I bought me these Kosas blushes, on your face type of thing. And this is the shade Thrill. And this is Chills. Have not used Kosas product, but I got influenced by the influencers that are out there and booming and on YouTube, okay? This blush, it reminds me of my good old, I mean, not the shades, but the idea, my Milani baked blushes. And ooh, it already wanna be on me. Yeah, this looks so pretty. And these two look so nice. And I like this. I don't know why, but I like this. Looks so cute. And they look like they're fully baked on here. Like it feels really hard. This is this one. And this is, let's put her right here. You're not gonna see Jack. Anyway, so I got me these two. I love the idea of them. It's my first time of using these Kosas product. I hear a great deal about their concealer. I wasn't feeling the concealers when I was there, so I'm like, okay, let me not force it. But I went and got me from Rare Beauty these bronzers or contours. What are they? Liquid contours. Soft pinch contouring okay. Soft pinch liquid contours. Okay. From Rare Beauty. I've never used Rare Beauty myself, so I couldn't wait. To put my hand on this little baby here. Then baby, I got me the two shades. This one, I tried it. I don't know if it's gonna be dark enough for me. So I went and got me the next deeper shade after it, just in case, you know. And they're in the shade Peaceful is this one. Oh. And Tranquille. Whoa. Okay. I know I'm not the strongest in language, but the one says tranquille, tranquil, and peaceful. Isn't that the same thing? Like peaceful and tranquille, they're like the same thing. well, I'll be peaceful and tranquille all day long with these in my face. So can't wait to use that. What else did I grab? Another setting spray. I believe I showed you guys I used the simple size, which I did grab from TJ Maxx and Marshall. And then somebody came about and just, took off with it. I'm not mentioning no names. But I went back. I need this in my life. The hydro grip setting spray. I'm not sure if this had anything to do with the finishing of my timing of using the Easy Blur foundation, but everything worked so well that day. I was like, I needed to go out. I needed to enjoy myself out there so somebody could see this beauty, okay? But it didn't happen. I went straight to bed, washed it off, and most I did with it was pictures. I'll probably input some pictures there for y'all to see. Okay, we went a little bougier with this Hourglass Ambient 3 bronzer pack, highlighting palette. She is a vibe. She's a total vibe. She's a cutie. So there's an idea behind this. There's like this finishing powder. It's not a highlighter. Okay, y'all don't see no glittering or nothing on it. So this is like a finishing on your face, like blurring things, right? And this one, somewhat, ever so slightly, has a little sheen to it. It's just to bring a little oomph on the face, right? You don't need to go all blown out highlighter, but you could somewhat put this all over the face and it gives you that inner glow. You'll see the two difference. And then you have her. She's like, I'ma glow you up. I'ma glow you up. Look how pretty and melty this looks. When I saw these, I said, I'm in. I'm going to use all of them exactly that way, in that exact manner. There's one right here somewhere, swatch. Y'all can see it. And there was this one, right? And then there's this one, and then there's her. Don't mind these two. These from other products. But I so can't wait. I can't wait. I cannot wait. I mean, the packaging is a little, I don't know what I did already. It's just got this filthy, but we're not gonna pay mind to that. She's a stunner. Okay, this is the third one. There's a two lighter one before this. Volume 3. We got it. Then this Charlotte Tilbury got me. I'm also wanted to have which I don't have in my collection, these what it called? Makeup Forever liners. But I came across this. This is so brilliant. This is a 2-in-1 lip liner. Like, can everybody start doing this? Can everybody start doing this? And why do I have to buy 2 different colors when I could buy one and have 2 shades in one? That alone just sold me. I'm like, yeah, fuck yeah, I'm getting that one. And this is what it looks like. Beautiful. There's lighter shades. I think this is the darkest one, but there's lighter ones that you could grab. And I'm loving. I'm liking it. I'm liking the idea. I'm liking everything about this. The colors, the swatch of this, really nice and soft. Yeah. So my dear, we got too many setting sprays. It's as if I'm going to be wearing setting sprays all day long, right? But I already have the base the newest base of certain foundations. I may just venture into new brand that I don't have in my collection on my next shop around. Um, I have me concealers that are like same old good old concealers, nothing new, and blushes and stuff. So these, finishing touches I don't have. I'm glad I was able to grab them. This contour situation I've been always eyeing, and these blushes is it feels like a vibe to me. So I'm pretty set with what I've gotten and mixing with what I've already got, right? Did that make sense? With what I've already have, or with what I've already had. However the English falls, child. And along with some stuff I got from TJ Maxx. So check out that TJ Maxx trip. Can't wait. I might as well dive into a makeup look right now. If y'all stay tuned, give me a day or two to get through editing and y'all get to see it. So that's about it. Cheers, kudos to y'all. And hopefully you guys are in a feel-good moment. Don't let the stress of the world get to you, please. Don't do it. Don't do it. Create your own world. Envision how you want your world to be in the time of now. And do your best to make steps towards being in that world, living that world. This might sound crazy, but I don't care if it does or not, but somebody's going to get this message and apply it and change life. Enjoy your world. Do not let the outside world impact your world. And right now, I'm in my makeup world and enjoying it, sharing it with y'all, bringing good vibes to y'all, and enjoy and just be.